Hi everybody, my name is Jason Sigler. I am the owner of Muck Farm Whitetails from Syracuse, Indiana. We provide large acreage leasing for deer and turkey hunting. The guys from Orec America brought down the Trailblazer for me to try. I had the need to move deer feed. I used my side-by-side in the past, which was fine. However, it's large, it's heavy. The Trailblazer would hold 650 pounds. It would get me down to where I need to go. It'd get me into the wetlands on top of the muck fields. I could fill my feeders and have a great day.
Josh Rollins here with Muck Farm Whitetails. Getting prepared for next season, as most of us do. We're going to take some feed out, some mineral blocks, and we're going to test out the Orec Trailblazer here. 600-pound capacity, so we're going to put it to the test. Terry, let's get this loaded. Easy starting. That's the first time I used it. I'm pretty impressed. I'm not gonna lie, I had one casualty, dropped the bag, but we made it through some pretty rough terrain there, and it saved a whole lot of time. That would have taken me a couple hours dragging all this out here with a wheelbarrow or even with a side-by-side. It got right through it. Let's get this loaded. Well, we got this one full. Now, we'll venture off to the rest of the feeders and fill those too.